In the previous episode of the Problem of the Week, the narrator, this guy, had been transformed by this guy into this guy, who then went to see this guy, who worked a little magic, and the narrator was nearly returned to normal. Well, let's take a look at the current problem. We have 3 glasses. They each have a different amount of liquid. The total is 84 milliliters, and our goal is to pour some liquid around so that all 3 glasses have the same amount. Since 84 divided by 3 is 28, that amount is 28 milliliters in each glass. And since glass C pours into A and doesn't have anything else done to it, glass C must start with more than 28. Since glass B receives from glass A but doesn't have anything else done to it, glass B starts with less than 28 milliliters, and we're not sure where glass A starts. We'll find that out later. And by the way, I forgot to mention, this isn't really water. This is polyjuice potion. So if the narrator plays his cards right, he could still get transformed into this guy. Our first step is to pour 1/5 of glass C into glass A. So what remains in glass C must be 4/5, which of course we want it to be 28 milliliters, and 28 is 4/5 of 35. So glass C must have started with 35 milliliters. And since 1/5 of 35 is 7, we're pouring 7 milliliters from C to A. And now glass A has to have more than the average, and glass B, of course, still has less. And we use a little trial and error. The first number larger than 28 that's divisible by 8 so that we can get a 1/8 is 32. 1/8 of 32 is 4, so we try that. 32 take away 4 is 28, and that would mean that glass B would have started with 24 and added 4 to get 28. This all seems to check out. Since glass A had 32 after it received some from glass C, and since it received 7, we do 32 minus 7 to get 25 milliliters for glass A. And there you have it, 25, 24, and 35, the answers to this week's Problem of the Week.